Hey, what's up guys? Tom is back with another LinScents video. Today, we are not going to be discussing fragrances. We are actually going to be discussing my favorite overall health and beauty product. But before we get into that, just want to say thank you guys again. It is an honor to be playing on one of those electronic devices, whether it's that cell phone, that tablet, that laptop, that Macintosh, that brand new big screen TV, whether you watch me at home, at work, on a plane, a train, or an automobile. Maybe you got drug into Victoria's Secrets while your wife is searching for another pair of underwear, another pair of thongs, as if she doesn't have enough. Maybe you're just sitting there just waiting to get the hell up out of that store, but you have nothing else better to do than to watch this video. So if you are in that situation, again, you had no intentions on going to that store. You wanted to go to the mall, maybe for something of your own choosing, but eventually the wife seen the Victoria's Secret store, and grabbed your arm and told you to come on in. And so now there you are, just sitting, looking at drawers. So if that is you, if you guys are new to this channel, you like what you see, hit the subscribe button, comment, and like. Likes are very important. Now that'd be cool if this is your first time here and you actually caught on to the Victoria's Secrets and you're actually at Victoria's Secrets. That would be awesome. So anyways, let's get into this video. Now, it's been a while since I did my last fragrance video. Now, honestly, I got a couple new fragrances sitting around here. I got some more on the way. But I kind of wanted to show you my favorite overall health and beauty product. Okay, we talk about different men's grooming products. We talk about the razors that I like to use. Those Gillette Skin Guards, still my favorite razor to use. We talk about different shaving soaps, different bar soaps. We talk about different hats and clothes that we bought while at TJ Maxx. But there is one item that is still, after 2 years of use, has been my favorite item. And without this item, man, whenever you go somewhere else that doesn't have this specific thing, you feel dirty. You feel muddy. You feel grimy. You feel smelly. I don't know. You just feel like a caveman, okay? You feel like you were born in the 1920s with rocks, and guys used to sleep on rocks, used to use leaves as covers. And those back in those days, the caveman days, you know, you had a leaf, you used it, you know, for your excrement. But nowadays, people use paper. 1 ply, 2 ply, 3 ply, all ply.
Some people still use their right hand.
Some people do use their hands. Some people use their hands and then they just wash their hands. Now, you know, I mean, if you have a nice fibrous diet, I mean, you could probably get away with that. But if you eat the way I do, there's no using the hand while doing this. But now, there's some of you out there that might say, you know what? I think I know where he's going with this one. I've seen this thing in one of his videos, and I think I know exactly where he's going. But I myself, I like to use wipes. Wipes are cool. I must admit, when I don't go to a place that has one of these items, this exact item that I'm going to show you guys, I do like to use the wipes. I encourage those people to get one of these, but, you know, depending on where in the spectrum you live, water's not cheap. Sometimes you can't keep water running. I don't know. We live in an apartment, so it's good for us. We can just kind of keep this thing on and we really don't notice anything. But the product that I'm finally discussing is this bad boy, this Luxe Bidet. Now, this is the one that I sent to my brother. I actually sent them two, but he was telling me that the water bill actually went up. Now, I don't know what he did wrong. I don't think bidets are supposed to make the water bill go extremely higher. Maybe a $20 higher a month, but who knows. But a bidet, if you guys don't know what a bidet is, it is pretty much a butt cleaning machine. A butt cleaning machine, and depending on which one you have, some of them have a woman cleaning machine, okay? Now, when I say this is the best product ever, I truly mean that because, again, whenever I go use the toilet without this, okay? Now, when nature comes a knocking, you gotta go rocking. Sometimes, I'd rather just hold it in, but sometimes there are just those days where you just gotta go publicly. And we go publicly, man, if all places had these, man, I think this world would be a much better place. Over there in Asia, all of Asia, I think most public bathrooms have these. I think most people use these. It is clean. Now, I'm going to admit, when I first saw this, I was like, man, this is going to be hard to put on. I am not Mr. Fix-It. I did put these shelves together. Probably took me more than, the average guy that, knows how to fix things. But I did get them together. So when I seen this thing, I was like, man, plumbing, water, tools. I was like, man, either I'm going to get soaked by some plumbing or it's just not going to work. However, this was very easy to install. Took me maybe like 10 minutes, okay? They give you all the tools in here to complete the installation process, okay? Now, the beauty of this, the first day I got this and actually installed this, I actually had the wife test run it, okay? Now, sometimes I don't even think she uses it for its actual purpose. I think she just sits on there for a nice show. I don't know, but it's a self-cleaning nozzle. It's non-electric, water pressure control. So if you don't like that, okay, here's one thing, okay? You must start off slow with these, okay? That is where I think some people, when they first try these, they get a little spooked and then they never want to go on it again, okay? If you just turn this thing all the way up to the highest point, I can understand why you would get scared because it spooked me the first time. It almost pushed me off the toilet. However, turn the nozzle down a little bit. Got a little bit less water pressure. Then it was just like literally a shower, okay? When you are cleaning your rear end, okay, I'm hoping most of you guys do, I'm pretty sure you have to spread your cheeks a little bit just to get that water to hit that region, okay? You can't just, it's not going to hit it unless you spread it, okay? So when you are sitting on the toilet, your ass should spread just enough for this water to insert itself. And it does. It does just that. If you have problems, maybe you just released a loaf. I don't know. And maybe it feels like there's something stuck in there. Hey, this has helped clean me out. This is a butt cleaning machine. And you guys know what? One lucky person is actually going to win this one. Okay? Now, this is not the exact one that my brother used, okay? This is because I sent him 2 of them. He tried one. The one didn't work for him. He said the water bill was a little bit too much. Maybe that was just something that happens in Texas. Who knows? But someone is going to win this, okay? All you're going to have to do is type in the words giveaway and butt cleaner down in the comments below. And what is intriguing you to try a bidet? Or what's holding you back from buying a bidet? They're cheap. It's $35 on Amazon, maybe $40, depending on if you want to go even higher. They got some that are like $200. I mean, but this is literally easy to install. If you have to move, you can take it with you. It's not like a whole toilet, okay, where you got to rip out a whole toilet and take the toilet with you. You just take this part of the machine with you, okay? It is easy to put together. It cleans you very well, okay? Now, some people out there, I've heard some people say, well, how do you dry off? Okay? All you need is once you are clean with that bum, okay? If you kind of just sit there just for like a couple minutes, not even a couple minutes, like a few seconds, and just dab. You don't even need that much toilet paper, okay? You get like maybe 3 squares, boom, you dry yourself off, you are good to go, okay? I heard people say they don't like that feeling up their butt. For those people that feel that way, it is water. Okay, that's all it is water. It's not a finger. It's not your wife smacking your ass. It's not all that. It's water. If you guys take a shower, like I said, you got to clean your ass. It's water. Okay, it's not gonna hurt you. It doesn't make you bleed or anything. Okay, you are safe. It's water. Right? It's to help you get clean. Now, I will say this too. Once you start using this and you actually become a professional with it, you will then see what I'm talking about. How in the heck did I go this long without a bidet? The bidet is, again, to me, the best as far as cleanliness goes, as far as getting your body right. I mean, you could buy the vitamins and stuff. Yes, I'm pretty sure that it helps. It probably helps with the process of using a bidet, because it probably makes your craps a little bit better, less dirty, in my opinion. Maybe if you take some fiber throughout the day and have a nice fiber regimen. But again, if I'm once a day, maybe twice a day type of guy. I mean, if you think about twice a day, think of all that toilet paper you're wasting, okay? Even if you got 3-ply, you're still probably... I've never seen someone that has 3-ply toilet paper just take 2 squares off and go in there wiping. It's never happened. So I don't want to hear that. Even if you had the cleanliest of dumps, I guarantee you'll probably at least pull down 6 or 7 squares. You might not have nothing there to wipe because it's so clean, but again, that is 7 pieces of paper. Eventually you use that twice a day. That's 14. The wife probably uses it once. They got to use it on their front parts. Again, it is it helps with the waste of toilet paper, okay? Now, toilet paper, then I just use it for the nose. If I got a runny nose, I just use it for that. But that is another topic for a different day. Now, again, someone... I do. There's something about, you know, sometimes, like, I don't get it. Like, we're one of those households that we just never really have Kleenex. We have toilet paper and paper towels, but we never just have boxes of Kleenex laying around. And we both blow our nose quite a lot, so I don't see why we don't. But I do like using paper towel. The reason why I like using paper towel, though, is because it's so thick. And, like, when you got, like, a super mucousy nose, like, I mean, when you use toilet paper, you still got to use a lot to kind of fold over to make sure that doesn't soak through the paper towel. Me, I like to use the paper towel because you just fold it once, you blow as hard as you can, and everything comes out. So that's the reason why I use paper towel. Honestly, I think paper towel is probably one of the most important items in, because my dad has paper towels up the wazoo. Brother-in-law has it. Like any Asian household, I think I've seen more paper towel in an Asian household than Target and Walmart combined. But that is, again, a story for a different day. Again, the bidet is the greatest product ever.
I agree, especially for that time of month.
See, the wife, I don't know if you can hear it, but she says for that time of month, when you women go through that, okay, instead of having to go down there with paper and all that, you can just let that water hit it, clean you up like a super soaker, and boom, you are clean. Maybe, now, one thing I like to suggest is still, you can still have those wipes on the side. You know, these are for the people that when they come over, they're afraid to use it. We have had plenty of people come to our house and use it. Now, I would show you our exact bidet on there because I want you guys to see that we actually have one, but the seat is cracked right now, and I'm not going to show you guys that, but I guarantee you guys we do have it, and we both use it. We have them in both of our bathrooms, okay? We got 2 bathrooms. We install it on both, okay? Once you use one of these, you will install it. If you have one of those houses with 3 bathrooms, you will install it in 3 bathrooms. It is that important.
You should show them your sister's. That one is heated.
The sister, yep, sister has one. After they tried the bidet for the first time, they actually bought a bidet after trying our bidet. So that just goes to show you that these are indeed important. They're cool. They're clean. They have a heated one now. That's the thing. It does kind of come out cold, but it's not cold where it's like you're going to shiver and all that, okay? It hits you so hard that honestly I don't notice it. That it's, so, you know, after all that stuff, you know, again, for you, your freaky deakies, when you guys do something strange for some change in the bed, sometimes you got to clean up, and sometimes just that old wash rag doesn't help. So you get that water spray, and it does wonders. Okay, again, if you like having a clean bum, okay, you don't like using that paper. Again, look, we've come a long way from the caveman days. Cavemen use paper still. Cavemen use rocks. Cavemen use leaves. Cavemen use grass. We don't need to use those things no more. We have paper, yes we do, but we also have these as well. This Luxe Bidet. This is the same exact one that I have on both of our toilets. And again, these are awesome. Easy to install. Okay, here we go. Like I said, it's probably about 5 to 10 minutes to install. All you gotta do is turn off your water supply to your toilet. You just jerry-rig a couple things. You super glue a couple things. You tie a couple knots around the... No, I'm just kidding. It is very easy, okay? So if I can put it together, anyone can put it together. So with that being said, again, if you guys are intrigued, you've never had one, you've never used one, and you've been looking, and you're like, huh, who knows? I might be able to just win a free one, okay? Maybe that's what you need to use a bidet. Maybe you need to win a free one. If you guys want to take part of this bidet giveaway, all you got to do is write down in the comments below giveaway bidet and what either intrigues you to try a bidet or what has held you back from trying a bidet. Okay, so that's all you got to do. Look at all these great little kind of like reviews. These cool little I no longer enjoy any bathroom without this thing. That is exactly how I think. This is what the 21st century living is all about. Yes, exactly. 5 stars for customer service. Boom. Best purchase of the decade. Boom. I think the same thing. A bottom's best friend. Boom. Easy. Bidet is love. Bidet is life. Yes, it is. Cleaner and clean. There you go. Boom. Great product. Incredible customer service. The French were really on to something. Yes, they were. If wiping has been troublesome and or painful for you, this device is a blessing. If you guys have hemorrhoids, I don't know. I don't have them. If you have scars back there, who knows? This is your best friend, okay? I get sad now when I have to wipe at work. Exactly. Exactly. Sometimes you just rather just hold it in until you get home. So, there you go. The Luxe Bidet. Again, join in the bidet family, okay? With that being said, I'm going to get up out of here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. And if you guys did, hit the likes, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace. Yeah.